Hi.
I
Yeah. Any doubts?
yes, Dhaneshwar.
Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, I'll share my screen. I'll explain that.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
You're starting.
Like we have a parameter
Mhm.
in this. We will select category, subcategory, and all. Uh, like I have created one calculation. This is the calculation. If I drag this, it will show when subcategory is selected. It will show the all subcategory. Uh, Sum of cells, like if we take cells, and if we select category, it will take, right. Let's say if we select subcategory, it will show category is well, subcategory is well. In the same way, if we select region, it will show the rest. What are the three
Your
region,
voice
it
is
should show
breaking.
something
Your
like
voice
that.
is breaking. There's some net issue from your side.
Am I audible now?
You are audible, but in between. So when some category is selected, you want category there, and when subcategory is selected, you want category and subcategory both.
Yes.
Then you need to have those like you need to write other calculations. When category, then you need that calculation. You need to duplicate that calculation.
uh, yes
Did you duplicate that? Did duplicate the calculation?
yes, I have duplicated that, like
I can see the same calculation one there, right?
okay,
I can't
the
see the
copy
calculation.
one.
Open the calculation.
Yeah, I have opened the duplicated one.
Okay. Now for category, keep there null in place of then
Here,
category, right? Then category. Keep null
okay,
in there.
okay.
The same way for others also, except for subcategory. So you do that for region and also. Why did you put subcategory twice? I don't know why. Now you drag, whenever you drag subcategory, uh, wait, no. It should be in such a way that when you drag subcategory, actually first one should always show category, right? So click on OK. Click on OK. Now drag that calculation one copy to the view. Okay, let me
Okay.
show that. Let me show that. It's better if I show it. It will be faster. Yeah. So here when you want the parameter, first it is category is always by default, and after
Okay.
that uh,
Mm-hmm.
like I'll only showing for subcategory. You can write it for others also. If I select string and if I select list, and here if I take subcategory and let me reach here. And let me show the parameter analysis create. I have only two, right? Yeah. Analysis create calculated.
Three.
No, category is by default, right?
Yes.
Parameter 4 is equal to sub. Okay. Let me put category also. So when you select category, you'll see nothing. When you select subcategory,
Okay.
you'll get subcategory, right? Now when you select region, now here it should show subcategory. Okay, when you select a
Yes.
region, it should show region, the subcategory plus region, right? Okay,
Yes.
then
Yes.
I should modify my calculation. This or parameter 4 is equal to region. So when I go for region, I still see. Wait. Now you can see your subcategory as well. The same way
But
calculation. Hmm?
region are not showing that.
Yeah, that I need to write the calculation, right?
Okay. Okay.
If it is region, then here it is region. So when it is subcategory, when it is category, only your category items are shown. When it is subcategory, all your subcategory is shown. When it is region, category, subcategory, and region is shown. Okay?
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, but that category will show null values first for calculation and copy.
Pardon? These
Like it will
values
show
will
null
show.
value, right?
Yeah, it will. Otherwise, you can rename that
Can
as
I avoid that?
to avoid that calculation. Rather else, okay, you can avoid that.
Mm,
If not, if you
okay.
don't want these columns in here, then you need to swap the sheets. Create only category sheet, this, and
Mm-hmm.
then another sheet with subcategory, category and subcategory only, and another sheet with category, subcategory, and
Mm-hmm.
region. Then, whenever you select, the sheet swapping will happen. Then it will look like there is new field is getting added. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Parishwar. I'll check with this. If any doubt occurs, I'll let you know.
Definitely. Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? Today it is only till 10 o'clock, guys. I have some
Hi,
other work.
Raipute. Good
Yeah,
morning.
hi.
Yeah, so I have a doubt. So I have created three dashboards.
Mm-hmm.
So each dashboard is consuming each table.
Mm-hmm.
Here, for example, the second dashboard is consuming table 2, and the third dashboard is consuming the data from table 3.
Okay.
So in the data source, I have made a dummy calculation by using the relationship between the tables,
Okay.
3 tables for each 3 dashboards.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and in what happening in table 2 is there is one field which is having 3 records. Okay, so the same field is available in the table 3 also, but it is having 5 records.
Okay. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, actually the client was like, I want the field from table 3 because it is having 5 records. I don't want the table 3 records in table 2. So that should be used in the dashboard too. Is that possible by using joins?
No, but how are these tables related? That is the biggest point, right? And in dashboard too, if you are using 5 records, what happens to the other like other 2 records in dashboard in table 2 you don't have any values, right? Then you'll get null for every other record.
Yeah. Actually, they want to replace the field.
Yeah, then you need to see, for that we need to understand how these tables are related. So you need to at least create some mimic the data and create something so that I can understand what is the relation between these two tables. If it is not related, bringing that column now, if the granularity, wherever you are creating that join, right? If the join is not clear, then
Okay.
the value that you will get might be that might contain huge duplicates.
Yes,
So you
yes.
need to understand now before bringing a field from other table, especially in relationships, you need to clearly understand what is the relationship between these two tables. Otherwise, uh, your total dashboard 2 will go out of hands. So
Okay.
I need to look at the data before suggesting what can be done. Okay.
Okay. And also I have doubt, if that I am doing the same, bringing the field from table 3 for the second dashboard. So I have applied the filters in the using the fields in table 2. Is that apply for the field which I am taking from
It
table
will
3?
get applied. It's not that it will not, but again, the application of filter is also based on the relationship between those two tables. How are they related?
Okay.
Only then we can tell how is that getting filtered. Because see, the
Okay.
problem with relationships is both the tables are at different levels of granularity, right?
Yeah.
So that will create a problem when you are
Okay. Can
trying
you
to
have any
bring.
idea how we can explain this to client easily?
First, without looking at data, I cannot explain that.
Okay. Okay.
You need to mimic the data and show it to me so that I can tell you what. See, with a relationship or anything, whenever you take a scenario, there are 100 things that can go right and 100 things that can go wrong. Unless until you really look at what the problem is and what solution is, you cannot directly tell. It is not a superficial thing, right? Between two tables, a relationship will not always work the same ways. It depends on how you are relating those two tables. Only then we can provide a solution.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hello, Rajeshwar sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I actually have discussed one problem that I have created two dates, started and ended. Okay, and I want to make a unique from the end date. Okay, from to the past 30 days. I have discussed your problem with you, but it's actually not making a solution. So please actually discuss.
Can you come again? You have a start date and end date.
I have a started and end date. Okay,
Okay.
and I want to make a unique of the data from
Make a
from
union.
30 days unique data from the end date only.
Wait. You want to union the data?
The union is unique.
Unique. Okay.
Unique data from the end date. 30 days back from the end date.
30 days back from the end date. Okay.
That's it.
No, but again, what unique again? I think we discussed this about based on customer name, right?
Customer name, but it's actually not giving the result, sir.
No,
It's
if
making
it
a
is
problem.
not giving the result, where it is not giving the result, I need to look at it that right. Without that, I cannot give you any clear solution to that.
Okay.
See, we discussed a solution based on whatever input you give. But again, if that is not working for you, where it is not working? And what now when you say unique, when you take dimensions, it is always unique. Or when you take count distinct, it is always unique. Now see, dimensions, now when you bring dimensions, right, in Tableau, when you bring dimensions, now this category, it is present in huge number of places. Where is this? Yeah, the furniture is duplicated, see, but the moment I bring, Tableau will only check the unique values here, right?
Yes.
The same way, if I want to find how many customers, like how many times the customer name has come, then I will take count, right? It is equal to the total number of rows that are present. But if I want to find the unique set of customers, then I'll use count distinct.
But it will be unique by a whole, na? It's actually not taking the condition by some days back.
We did that, right? Even if you see, if I'm bringing my order date, if I'm taking years, it will take. Seeing that, it is taking. But if it is not taking in your case, then there is something which is not present in here. There is something is there.
I think, sir, you are not getting the point. The data is actually have to be unique by the 30 days, but whatever the data come before 30 days have to become I have to be count that data. But whatever the data comes within the 30 days, I don't want to be.
You don't want to see the last 30 days of data.
That's been a unique for the particular date. Okay. But whatever the data come before 30 days, and if that data coming on the end date, okay, for example, on the end date, I want to count that one.
Still, somewhere we are on the wrong foot.
I actually understand.
Because
this is
we are
a
not getting
problem. Going.
Yeah. Okay. No issues. If somewhere if we can make that discussion clear. See, my point is, if you are doing that, try to mimic it. Whatever the data that you have, take a sample data from your data and try to mimic that and show us, okay, this is the problem. Then yes, we can work towards a solution. Because the data that you have, the variation of data that you have, I might not have that. Right?
Yeah.
I might not understand that unless until and I come and look into that. And if someone looks into that, yes, there might be a solution. It's not that everyone can provide solution to everything, but there might be a solution to that if you provide me hands-on on what the issue is. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, guys, today.
Hi Rajeshwar, this is Pawan.
Hi, Pawan.
Can you share your screen so that I can explain the microphone?
Okay.
Can you drag the sales into the text?
Okay.
And order date into order date as a filter. Yeah, column, row and column, anyway, any could be the file. Try to make that column.
Pardon?
Column, try to, Here the sales is displaying that year wise, right? So I have the some fixed value. Suppose there is that 50,000 is a value fixed one. I need to add the 50,000 for the 2019 sales. Whatever the output is coming from the 2019, I need to add to the 2020 as well as. Like that, I need to
you want to add 50 to 2019 and 20 both?
No, only 2019. After adding the 50,000, I will get the some answer, right? That that output need to add with the 2020.
Where should it display?
Yeah.
It should display here.
Yeah. Like that way, I need to put as a 22.
First, you need to get your
fixed one.
Right. Okay.
No, I need to add the 50,000 for the 2019 value, whatever the 4,84,000 plus 247 values.
Yeah. Actually, why am I not getting? Just a second.
I try to make that as a running count and plus 50,000.
Just give me a second. It is 2019. Then I need to add 50,000. If it is 2019. Okay, when you add this, there is a problem because it will get added to for every row and you will not get the desired amount. So to add 15,000 to it, then I should get a value of 50,000. sum of sales plus average of I bring this in here. Perfect. Now I'm adding 50,000 to it, right? I'm adding 50,000. Just now you want this to add to this, right? Then you need to use lookup. Now you got it added to this. Okay. Now this is added to this. Is that okay?
Yeah, try to make that filter as at 2022.
Okay. Oh, if you want 2022, then no, it will not get.
Yeah, then I need to show that that value as the one something 30.
Then you want this value to add to 2022.
No. Whatever the outcome in that calculation 12 is that fine. I
Okay.
need to display this as a fixed one. Even though if you selected in that filter as a 2022, it should display the 1342421. If I selected the 2020, it should display the 954780 like that.
Now here the problem is no, it's not that we cannot. It's like not to make the filter apply on it is a bit of a problem.
Yeah, everything fine for that till now. When I applied for the filter, it is not showing that
Yeah,
value,
because this is
whatever the
table
calculation value is that one.
Because this is table calculation.
Yeah.
That is the reason. But there are ways to do it. I'm looking at a simplest way because if I use fixed LOD, if I get values at every level, fixed 2019 at fixed, 2020, 21 and 22 at fixed, then I can add them up and I can get this value. Or if you want 2021, I can take 2021 and I can add them up and get the value. But that will be a problem, not a problem, as a performance issue. Like my point is fixed column if year of order date is equal to 2022, then sales. Now if I take this, not 2022, it is 2021. Now if I take this and if I add this files to sales to here, then yes, I might get the value, but any other possible way to do this?
Hyperty, like, can't we use sum of calculation 12 by still calculation 12?
No. What is the point? Sum of calculation 12 by 12 will give you 1, right? You are saying total.
Yeah.
Total
like
is again table calculation. It will not work. Total is again table calculation. Not getting filtered. Like here, this is applied at the dashboard level, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, dashboard level.
Okay, then we can do one thing. Okay, rather than applying this as a filter, what I will write is, oh, again that is, okay. Now, no, still it is a problem because I need to apply the filter to show the values. Again, if it is, how do I control the value that is coming to this view? That is again the problem. Now, if I add the no, I don't see any plausible way. Let me think over it. If I get any solution, I'll present it. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
right.
guys. Last doubt. If anyone has any last doubt. Okay. I see there are no more doubts. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone. We'll again meet tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday, the same time. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.